Right here is a drawing of a corner of a room. We're going to take a close look at our crown molding, our base molding, and our base shoe molding. Interior molding is both functional and pleasing to the eye. Look right here. Crown molding, it decorates the transition between the wall and the ceiling. Let's look down here. Our base molding provides a transition between the wall and the floor. Down here at the bottom of our base is our base shoe molding. It adds a finished look and often covers small gaps. Let's look at our wall. If a wall is longer than the available pieces of molding, you will need to join two pieces together in order to make a joint. Take a look at our crown molding right here. This vertical slit, that's a joint. Right down here, this vertical slit right here, that's in our base molding, that's a joint. But below it, down here, that's our shoe molding. If your wall is 15 feet and all you have available is 10-foot pieces of base molding, you're gonna have to create a joint. When a joint is formed like this, it creates a butt joint. A butt joint is where two pieces meet at a 90-degree angle. It can leave visible gaps if the molding shrinks. A butt joint is okay. However, a scarf joint is the best joint for the job. A scarf joint is more visually pleasing and is also more durable. Next, I'm going to turn my miter saw 45 degrees and create a scarf cut. I'm rotating my miter gauge to 45 degrees. I got my base molding up against my fence. Let's cut it. Look at the profile of our two pieces. This joint here, which is a scarf joint, is more visually pleasing than our butt joint. It looks more seamless. I would first find my stud. I'm using a magnet, but you can use a stud finder. Then I would run my tape measure from the corner, okay? I would have my joint to land on my stud. Now, you wanna make sure that this end of your molding is cut first, okay? Coming from the corner out, because you want your other piece to overlap. So you can use 1.5 to 2 inch 16 gauge finish nails. I'm also gonna use some wood glue on my joint, okay? That's to limit separation. Once I have glue in my joint, I'm gonna nail my scarf joint to my stud. Now you have the best joint for the job. Temple build.